Today, poultry farming is very lucrative, especially in this part of Kenya, where a chicken is costing almost 900 Kenyan shillings. A cock like this one is now going to over 1,500. Then one day old chick costs roughly 100 to 120 Kenyan shillings, and kienyeji fertilized eggs will cost between 25 to 30 Kenyan shillings. So you can see that is a very lucrative business that you can decide to venture in and make some extra coins. So we have a piece of land, though not very big, but we have decided to start a farm. And the name of our farm, we have decided to name it Korobe Farm. This is a farm where we have decided that we are going to start 3 ventures. 1 is poultry farming, 2 is fish farming, and 3 is bee keeping. So our viewers, welcome to Korobe Farm. Main objective is that by the end of this year we should be having maybe 500 chicken, 2,000 fish, mature fish, and some honey. I don't know how long it will take. We have not really consulted the people concerned, but we are going to, that is our really main aim, that by the end of this 2024 we anticipate to be having over 500 chicken, 2,000 mature fish, and honey. So guys, we are doing the real definition of starting small. Everything that you are going to see here is the true definition of starting small, and we want to see how big we can really go and how far we can grow. So guys, I want to start with you, and let us start together and see what we can do with the little that we have started. So if you have not subscribed, please subscribe and press the notification button so that every time we upload any new video from our farm, YouTube will notify you and you'll be able to check and really comment. And I want to see, guys, how you comment in our section. Tell us what we can do, where we can improve, or simply give us your general view of what you think about our small farm, because we are really starting small. 2024 we are really starting small, and want to see by December how far we will have gone, because our goal is to reach 500 chicken, 2,000 fish, and we are rearing tilapia and bees. So guys, let us start. In this video we are going to show you how we have started our poultry farm. So our viewers, welcome to Korobe Farm, and for this start we are going to show you how we have started our poultry farm. So first of all, we have decided that we are going to build a structure, and as you can see, this is our small structure. It's not so big like the ones you see in other videos, but we are going to show you how we started. First of all, we secured iron sheets, only 15 iron sheets, and our structure measures 10 feet by 5 feet. Constructing this house is not very expensive, because actually we are using locally available material like timber. We have timber from our farm. The only thing that we had to buy were actually nails, and also chicken wire. This is chicken wire, as you can see. Constructing this chicken house has not costed us over 20,000 Kenya shillings. It has actually not, because we are using locally available material. Another thing that we bought was this chain link, because we wanted to surround our poultry house with the to ensure that no predators or rodents or other animals could come in, maybe to kill our birds or even eat the eggs or destroy the chicks. So we surrounded our house with this with this chain link. So our chicken eat from this place, and actually they play from this place, like they do sand, what do you call it, sand bathing from this place. So then they go in when it is very hot, or maybe they do sand bathing outside here, or when it is raining. So in the night they sleep in their house, but during the day they play from this side. Another thing that we have considered is biosecurity. And one of the biosecurities we have done is to spray our house. We have sprayed so we sprayed with the 7 to kill insects that maybe could affect our chicken, and we also sprayed with the germicide to kill viruses and other disease-causing organisms from our poultry area. Then the third thing on our biosecurity, we did this. We had to build this footbath, and this is where people will be dumping their feet before entering our poultry. This is simply to try and control viruses that can cause diseases on our. The fourth thing that we have considered are the feeders and the drinkers. And as we have said, we are just starting, so we are not using commercial feeders or drinkers. We are actually making our own feeders and drinkers from the locally available jerry cans. As you can see, we are using this as our drinkers and also our feeders. Maybe in the future we will plan on how to secure best feeders and drinkers from the sellers, but for now we are starting with these ones, and we advise you that you can also just manipulate these jerry cans and get the best drinkers and feeders. The most important thing is to ensure that they are always clean, to wash them every morning before you give your chicken feeds. Then we prepared these laying nests, and as you can see, we are having some chickens that are already brooding. Actually, we have 4 of them that are already brooding, and as you can see, initially we had problems with our area of brooding because chicken were not having best places, like they were not having good nests for laying. But recently we decided that we are preparing this area, and as you can see, we have prepared a very good area for them to lay their eggs and also to sit on the eggs for brooding. The next thing that we considered preparing was the area for chicks, the brooder. So we are preparing this area here because we have been having problems with our chicks. Many of them have been dying. Actually, we have lost so many chicks because initially we were just letting their mothers walk around with them, but now we have decided that we are preparing this area specifically for our chicks. So this area is for the 1-day-old chicks to 1 week or 2 weeks. Then after they grow maybe to 2 weeks, 3 weeks or 4 weeks, we then will shift them to this specially prepared area so that they can give room for the new chicks that will be coming in. Now, after putting all the fundamentals into place, we now moved in to acquire our parent stock. And so currently we are having approximately 25 layers. Those are mature chicken, and we hope that we are going to use this to produce our 500 chicken target. Out of the 25 3 of them are cocks, but 4 of them are already brooding, so we are expecting the rest to start laying and start giving us chicks. Probably by the end of this month they are all supposed to be laying. About the breeds that we acquired, we will show you in our next video, so please keep checking. I hope we are able to motivate any one of you to start small. Just as you can see, we have started small, but we hope that by the end of this year we will be doing big. So we hope you have learned something, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing and press that notification button so that next time we upload a video like this one, you will be notified. And please let us know where we can improve so that we can grow together as the Korobe farm family. Otherwise, that is for now. Bye bye.